Welcome to Sridhar's Easy Chemistry Lesson 6 Solid State. In this video, we learn about classification of crystalline solids, ionic solids and covalent solids. Classification of crystalline solids based on the type of bonding takes place between the constituents. What is meant by constituents? As far as crystalline solid is concerned, constituents means it may be atoms or ions or molecules. Based on the type of bonding, crystalline solids are classified into ionic solids, covalent solids, molecular solids and metallic solids. Whereas the molecular solids are further classified into non-polar molecular solids, polar molecular solids and hydrogen bonded molecular solids, ionic solids. What is ionic solids? This is a lattice structure. Consists of blue color Na plus cations and green color Cl minus anions. A solid constituted by cations and anions are known as ionic solids. Therefore, sodium chloride is a ionic solid. These anions and cations are held together by strong electrostatic attractive force. Because of the electrostatic attractive force, ionic solids are hard. If you see a cation, that is Na plus, is surrounded by 6 chloride anion. Similarly, Cl minus ions are surrounded by 6 sodium cation. Because of the electrostatic force of attraction, most of the ionic solids are in cubic closed packing arrangements. Characteristics of ionic solids. Point number 1. Ionic solids have high melting point. Why has high melting point? The reason is in between cations and anions have strong electrostatic attractions. Due to this, ionic solids have high melting point. For example, sodium chloride have 800 degrees C melting point. Point number 2. Ionic solids do not conduct electricity. You see here, in a beaker we have sodium chloride. It is an ionic solid. Immerse 2 electrodes and pass electricity. The solid NaCl does not conduct electricity. Why? The positively charged Na plus and negatively charged Cl minus are held in their position strongly. Point number 3. To the solid NaCl add little amount of water and allow to dissolve. Solid sodium chloride dissolves to give Na plus ions and Cl minus ions. These ions moves freely if you pass electricity to this solution. Na plus ions moves towards cathode and Cl minus ion moves towards anode, so that electricity is conducted. Therefore, in molten state and dissolved state only, ionic solids conduct electricity. Point number 4. This is sodium chloride crystal lattice. To dislocate or displace ions requires strong external force. Therefore, ionic solids are hard as well as brittle. Covalent solids. This is crystal lattice of diamond. All the lattice points occupied by carbon atom and held strongly by covalent bond. The red color bond is bound together in a three-dimensional network. Therefore, solids constituents bound together by covalent bond, then the solid is known as covalent solids. The example for covalent solids are diamond and silicon carbide. What are the properties of covalent solids? Point number 1. They are very hard. Diamond is the hardest solid. By using diamond, we can cut the glass and drill rocks. Point number 2, they have high melting point. Again, the reason for high melting point is the bond. What type of bond is present? Covalent bond. Point number 3, they are usually poor thermal and electrical conductors. Why they are poor conductors? If you see diamond, the constituent, that is carbon atom, have 4 valence electron in its valence shell. All the 4 valence electrons are involved in covalent bonding with neighboring carbon atoms. Therefore, no free electrons available for conduction of electricity. Therefore, diamond does not conduct electricity. If you like this video, share, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.